Calling.
I'm calling 911.
You're trespassed.
All right.
Hold on, hey, what? Hey, hold on. Why? Hold on.
You're refusing to leave.
This
hold
is
on, I'll get off the
trespass
phone.
afterwards.
I will get off the phone.
This is from April of 2021, a small bar in Flagler Beach, Florida. A guy walks in, gets drunk, starts harassing the staff and the other patrons, and gets in their faces, yells at them. Bar management does what every bar does in that situation. They call the police. They want him trespassed off the property. That means he gets a piece of paper telling him he's banned. He signs it, he goes home, he sobers up. That's how this is supposed to end. But this guy, his name is William, has a different idea. When the officer walks up to him, he refused to give his ID. He refused to leave. He's going to demand to speak to the higher up. Over and over. This is Greyfile TV. Let's get into it.
They see how great I am and wish they could beat me?
I don't think that would cause the fight in there.
There's no fight. Nobody had any type of interaction between somebody putting hands on me.
Yeah. Spit on me.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
I don't want to do anything about it. If she wants to trespass him, she's a head bartender. I don't.
Okay. Yeah, he just.
I think it was
I asked him to leave
Valid.
the first couple times that he tried to start stuff, and he went outside, then came back in. He wouldn't go with it. So yeah.
And if I wanted to press charges, I guess I could. But being a higher power and higher being that I am, that I won't.
Are you okay?
No. When you get that answer, you don't expect it. Because you expect people to say, yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm all right.
No, that just tells me that you're honest.
I'm more than honest. I'm truthful.
Well, that's what honesty is being truthful. Do you have your ID on you by chance?
Why?
Because I'm just asking for it.
Yes, I do. You're asking for it?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know if you can leave your car here.
Can I move it?
I don't know, are you intoxicated?
Yes, can you move it? Because I was going to call an Uber and come back here tomorrow and pick up my car.
Okay, well I have to ask management here so that way they don't tow it. Because it's private property.
Go ahead and ask. But I probably won't be here when you show up.
Well then they're probably going to tow it.
If they tow it, then I guess I'm going to have to pay the fee, huh?
I guess you will. Hold on, we're not done.
Got your ID, boss?
Why? You asking them in there?
They want to trespass you from the business.
Why?
They don't want you to come
Because
back.
I got assaulted?
They don't want you to come back.
Why?
Because
They
they
had
don't.
that option. That's their
Why?
right.
Get your hands out of your pocket.
I've got it on my phone.
Still need to keep your hands out of your pocket. You
Okay.
have your ID.
Can I reach in my pockets?
Where's your ID at?
Can I reach in my pockets?
Where is your ID?
My ID's in my pockets.
Which
Pockets or pocket?
Pockets. It could be in multiple, right? Because it's not in one, it's not in other, and then it might be in the third.
Okay.
Right?
It should be in a pocket.
Okay, but it might
Please
be
get
in
your
one
ID
third
out.
of the fourth.
Please get your ID out.
Okay, so now I can reach in my pockets, right?
And get your ID, yes.
Okay. That's my phone. And a lighter.
Can you put the fishing poles down, please?
Why? Are these fucking guns?
I'm not saying that
Oh,
they're
look, that's-
guns.
Those are cigarettes on my ID. Damn, I'm mistaken.
About
So what
that.
the fuck do y'all want from me?
Your ID.
Oh.
So that way we can trespass
So what if I tell y'all
you.
no?
Okay, listen.
What if I tell y'all to look me up? What if
Okay.
I give y'all a name and tell me to look me up?
Then that's fine too.
Alright, my name is William.
Why are you being so aggressive?
Because I'm tired of this bullshit.
What
Every time I go
bullshit?
out, there's some fucking bullshit around me.
We got called here.
Okay, bet. Now go fucking talk to the people that called you, not me. Matter of fact, I got stroke to catch. Right?
Okay,
Look,
no,
if y'all are gonna
no,
arrest me,
no.
arrest me.
Okay.
Don't walk away.
If y'all are going
You're
to,
not free to go yet.
I'm not resisting you. If you are going
If
to
you walk
arrest me,
away, that is resisting. Also, failure to
Because
produce
you
your
told me to not walk
ID
away.
is resisting.
find it. It's in there.
Okay. I got it. I got it.
You'll need to call for law enforcement to do a standby to get your vehicle too off the property, or else you're
Why?
trespassing then, because you'll be
Because
trespassing.
I can call somebody to come and get it.
Okay.
That's fine, but you
Do
can't
it.
without us here as a civil standby.
How long before your last intake of alcohol is it okay for you to come and grab your vehicle?
Well, if you come back after your trespass, then you're trespassing.
Okay, not if my property is on this property.
It's private property.
Okay, now that is my private property. How the f you gonna tell me I can't come and grab
What?
my own private property without grabbing top?
Because this is their private
Okay,
property.
but that is my property, right?
Then
this
why
is my
don't you
property.
call someone to come and get it?
This is my property,
Then
right?
call someone to come and get
Okay,
it.
so how long between my... Okay, if my private property is on somebody's property before they trespass me, how long can I come back before I can grab my own property?
Now, before we're done trespassing
Okay, not
you.
now. Not
Before
now.
we're done
Why are y'all
trespassing.
trespassing me?
Because that's what they want.
Why? Let me talk to them. Let's
No, you're not going back inside. You're not going
I will not go back inside.
Do not go back inside.
I will not go back inside.
Then where are you
I
going?
will not go back inside. I will not. Please do not touch me. Hey, excuse me, management. Can I talk to your manager, please? No, okay, why not? I need to talk to your manager right now. I need to talk to your manager right now.
Hey.
I need to talk to your manager right now.
Hey.
No, Paul, you ain't shit. I need to talk to your management.
You very nicely.
I need to talk to your manager right now. One more time, boy. Put my ass in jail.
I don't want to put you.
Okay, I know, because I ain't doing shit wrong. You know why? Because I had some gay ass try to push up on me. I'm being a disturbed. Are you the lead bartender?
Paul, stop.
Right? Why am I being trespassed?
Because you got in multiple people's faces. You were yelling. As people were talking, like you guys got into a debate, but you started like screaming at people multiple times. I told you to lower your voice, and you kept doing it. Yes, you did.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
First of all, no, you did not.
Yes, I did.
As a matter of fact, and an actual instinct of this motherfucker's life, you did not.
I told you to lower your voice.
So you're gonna let Megan, the female that put her hands on me, go away free, right? You're gonna let a female who pushed me and put her hands on me go away free, right? But you're not gonna let the two dudes.
Just go inside.
No, ain't no go inside. I'm trying to talk to the manager.
Mr. Are you gonna sign this?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
You know why? Because I've been trespassed somewhere else for no fucking reason. The same motherfucking shit is going
Here's your
on.
ID.
All right, bet.
Vacate the property.
Nice night.
Yeah.
Now get off the
Suck my
property.
When can I come back and get my
Get
car?
off the
Y'all ain't calling my
property.
damn car.
Get off.
Y'all are not calling my damn car. Matter of fact, I'll sign it. I'll sign it. Let me see it. Matter of fact, take me through everything.
You're trespassed from this property. You
For
cannot
what?
ever return.
For what?
It doesn't matter.
This property. Signature right there.
Bro, don't bother with.
It's my clipboard.
Y'all want my
I'm gonna
motherfucking signature?
No,
My
you
life?
refuse.
Okay, look. Go ahead, move your finger. Move your finger, right?
Trespassing, my name,
No, hell
my
no, I don't
star
want you to
number.
explain nothing because I can read. I ain't
You already
stupid.
asked me to explain.
Okay, so what about the person that put hands on me? Can I press charges against them? Can I
Gonna
press
sign or
charges?
not? Are you
Can I
gonna
press
sign or not?
Can I press charges against them?
The same as they can press charges against you for spitting on them.
I didn't spit on nobody.
Okay.
There's no motherfucking fluids that came out of my body.
You want to sign
I
this
will
or not?
sign the paper. You don't need to hold the board for me to get a signature.
right here.
You damn sure don't. Right? Can I read the board?
No. You had an opportunity, but all you want to do is yell.
No.
God damn.
Whoa, sir. Can I speak to your motherfucker? Can I speak to your sergeant? Bring your sergeant here right now. Yes, sir. Bring your damn sergeant. Bring your motherfucking upper right now. Bring your 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 upper.
Give me my pen.
Bring your upper right now.
Give me my pen.
No, hell no. Let me see the board.
Give me my pen.
Bring your upper right now.
Sir.
I want to
give
talk to
him-
both of y'all's upper. I
I'm
want
right
to share.
here. I'm
Okay.
right here.
Who are
The
you? What's your
sheriff-
position? What is your
I'm
position?
the senior officer.
Okay, let me see your senior officer.
I'm
right?
here.
Okay, so
There is no
what
one
about
else
the
here
Okay, the
but
person
me.
that assaulted me. The person that assaulted, I want to press charges.
Okay.
Okay, this on
Sober
camera.
up, come back
Okay.
and
Hell no, ain't no sober up.
absolutely. Give me
I
my
want to
ink
speak
pen.
to your upper right now.
Well,
Bring
my
them.
chief is
Talk
not
on the
home,
radio.
and he's not
I don't care.
coming.
There's somebody that's higher than you
You can
on
come
the
and
clock
call
right
me.
now.
No, there
On the
isn't.
clock right now, okay?
There
okay,
isn't.
so I know your ass ain't on the road without somebody in charge of you. Right? Bet. Bring him right now. Call him.
Give him the pen.
I won't give him the pen because he wouldn't give me the board.
Okay, but that's his property.
Okay, so is that. Y'all won't let me get that, right?
Yes, I will.
Bet. Give me the fucking board.
Then-
Matter of fact, call y'all upper right now and let me talk to them. Because this is bullshit. 100%. Bet. Call somebody. Why you walking to some fucking bar? What, you want to get a drink? No.
Give me my ink pen.
Suck my dick.
So what was the problem that he was causing in here?
Honestly, it was all of us right here.
No, honestly, we were just all hanging out. We all work in the service industry, and he came up and was like, "Oh, it's perfectly fine to treat service people like that's what we do."
Okay, let me back up. You just watched something really specific play out, and I want to make sure you saw what I saw. When that deputy first walked up to William, he was calm and patient. He's not raising his voice, he's not threatening him. He even compliments the guy for being honest about being drunk. That's a textbook de-escalation move. Find something to agree on, build a little trust, get the situation under control without force. It works for about 10 seconds. Then William starts shifting. He doesn't want to give his ID, says he's got it in one of the pockets, then maybe the third pocket, or the fourth. He's stalling. From an investigator's eye, that's a stall. He's testing the officer to see how much he can get away with. That's not cooperation, that's negotiation. And on a trespass call, the officer isn't negotiating. The bar wants him gone. The officer's job is to make him gone. Then William starts trying to flip the script. He demands they arrest Megan, a female bar employee he claims pushed him. He demands they arrest the people who called the police on him. He demands to speak to the manager, 6 times, yelling it. And here's where you have to understand something about how cases like this work. Even if Megan did push him, even if that whole story was true, the legal posture of the scene doesn't change. A property owner has the right to trespass anyone for any reason. You don't have to be a criminal to be banned from a bar. You just have to be someone the bar doesn't want there anymore. William is treating this like a courtroom, where he's defending himself. The officer is treating it like what it actually is, a trespass enforcement. Those two interpretations are not going to meet in the middle. In the next part of the footage, you're going to see what happens when a man who thinks he's a higher being runs out of higher beings to call. You're gonna see the taser moment. You're gonna see what William says to it. And then you're going to see exactly how wrong he was.
I'm calling
You're trespassed.
Alright.
Hold on, hey, what? Hey, hold on. Why? Hold on.
You're refusing to leave.
This
hold
is
on, I'll get off the
trespass
phone.
afterward.
I will get off the phone.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground right now.
Send me a couple more units. Taser.
Hey, don't tase me. I'm not doing nothing wrong. That taser ain't shit. That taser ain't shit. Hey,
Get
that
on.
taser ain't shit. Yeah, you fucking ass. That
on the
taser,
ground.
that taser ain't shit me.
Get on the ground.
That taser ain't shit. You ran out of battery, huh? Yeah, look. That taser ain't shit me.
Get on the ground.
Why I gotta
Get on the ground.
Why?
Because you're under arrest.
Why?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why? I can't. I'm on a fence.
Get on the ground.
I love that Oriental fucking flavor. Why are you guys arresting me?
Because you're refusing to follow orders.
I'm
Really?
gonna press charges for assault against Megan.
At this point, you're the aggressor, buddy.
I'm the aggressor. You guys are fucking assaulting me. I should call
I am
911
asking you to sit down.
Okay, I might sit down.
Sit down.
Okay, today I should know.
Exactly.
I get charged with property.
Stay.
I will stay on the ground with my fucking feet. Yo, fuck you, ass. Hey, fuck you, man.
Give me your other hand.
Yeah, suck my.
Give me your other hand.
Yeah, suck my.
Give me your hand.
Yeah, fuck you. Hey, why
Give me
are
your
you
hand.
tasing me?
Give me your hand.
That taser doesn't do shit to me. You already know that. Ass crap.
Give me your hand.
Let me speak to you higher up.
Give me your other hand.
I can't.
Why?
Give me your other hand.
See,
There
look.
you go.
Why?
Put
Look.
your hand behind your back.
Why? I can't. It's in my
behind your
fishing
back.
line. It's in my fishing line. It's in my. Fuck you. You fucking. I told you it's in my fishing line, right? Look. Right?
Pull
Did
your
I not
hand
tell
down
you?
now.
Did I not tell you it's in my fishing line? It's not. It's. Look. Why? Let me speak to you. Is that your higher up? Is that your higher up? Is that your higher up? Huh? Your fucking hand.
I'm not gonna hurt
Yo, higher up. Is that your higher up? Huh? Is that your higher up, huh? That's your higher up? That's your higher up. Hey, bet. I bet. You tased me 500 times. Let me talk to you higher up. Right fucking now.
It's on?
I fucking bet. They're gonna be off in a fucking minute. Yeah, you fucking ass little bitch. Ass little I bet you was on a fucking weekend hiding from your goddamn wife. I bet you go to the fucking scene and look for fucking to crawl on. You probably underage fucking. I'm just trying to pull my pants up.
It's all right. Just calm down. We'll get your pants up. Relax.
Hey, who are you, sir?
Relax.
What is your fucking badge number?
875.
875? That's it? What's your name?
Deputy Wynn.
Deputy Wynn. Who's your higher up?
That would be Sergeant Miley.
Sergeant who?
Miley.
Byron. Can I speak to them?
He's not here, sir.
Okay, where the fuck is he? What the fuck are y'all doing? I'm still in
Trying
charge.
to get this fishing lure out
Do not
of your
reach for my taser! Do you understand?
No, f you, Taser.
Do not resist!
I'm not
Stop.
resisting
I'm trying to
shit.
get this fishing lure out of your sleeve.
No, get the fishing lure out there.
Stay still so we can do this! Stay still!
Hey, look, push
Stay
back.
still!
I don't need
Sit
this fucking
still so we
system.
can remove this hook!
Y'all are interrupting my motherfucking lifestyle.
Stay still!
Man, f y'all.
Alright, we're good.
Look, y'all got it out. Bet, right? What are y'all two badge numbers? What is y'all two badge numbers? Right there.
We'll get that information
Now, hell no, ain't no get that information. Give it to me right now.
Okay, 846.
Are you gonna stand up so we can pat you down, search you?
Absolutely.
All right, I got you. Relax.
You, whoa, other fucking way.
All right, come on.
No, I said other way.
Just stand up. Jeez, it's not hard, man. Making it all.
No, hold on my leg, sir. I stood up.
All right, stop resisting.
You're breathing heavy. What? Oh, you've been here too long, huh? Oh, you wipe up. What is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? You. Sir.
Stop moving. Stay still.
Stay still. What's your name, sir? Stay still. What's your name, sir? What's your fucking badge number, officer? I'm asking. I'll break you quick. You're breathing too heavy. Look, hey, give him
resisting.
Give him to me. Give him to me. Let me go. Let me go. I'm with him. 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 Yes, let me go. Let me go. I'm with him. Let me go. I'm with him. I am with him. I am with your higher up. Sir. I'm your trouble yet, huh? Hey.
Well, if you were, you wouldn't be in the car.
Sergeant Miley? What's your name?
Pick him up, stuff him back in head first.
Is he still screaming?
Oh, yeah.
Why didn't...
Kicked his way out head first out the other side.
After another 15 full minutes of the suspect resisting, officers finally make another attempt to get him in the squad car.
Ma'am, please.
Don't hook my leg. Don't hook my leg. Get in the car. Be a nice guy. You've been nice.
I've been plenty of a nice guy. Yeah, exactly. You know, I've been nice, right?
No, you haven't been nice at all.
Stop
resisting,
I don't
William.
like being called William. I'm relaxed. Fine. Corporal.
Alright, so that's the case. William was booked into the Flagler County Jail that night on 4 charges: trespass after warning, resisting, disorderly intoxication, criminal mischief. Here's the thing I want to leave you with. William spent that entire encounter convinced that he was the most important person in that parking lot. He demanded a supervisor. He demanded a sergeant. He demanded a higher up, over and over, like that title was going to summon someone who'd agree with him. He spoke to that deputy the way you speak to a waiter at a restaurant when you're already planning to send the food back. And here's the part nobody ever notices in these videos. Deputy Wynn, the officer who arrested him, never raised his voice, not once, even when he was being mocked. Even when he was being kicked out of the patrol car into a Flagler Beach parking lot at midnight. The deputy never lost his composure. William lost everything. The body cam exists for a reason, and the body cam doesn't change its story to make William sound like a higher being. This is Grapefile TV. These cases don't close.